Look at the night sky tonight. Find the constellation Orion. You will see it, a red smoldering star on his right shoulder, burning with a color that does not belong among the cold white diamonds of the cosmos. It looks ancient. It looks tired. It looks like something that has been holding on for far too long. It has. That star is Betelgeuse, and it is dying. Not in a million years, not in 1,000. In the blink of a cosmic eye, that familiar red ember in Orion's shoulder is going to detonate. It is going to release more energy in a single second than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. And when it does, it will not be a quiet death. It will be the most violent event the human race has ever witnessed with its own eyes. The universe is about to put on a show, and we have front row seats. But here is what nobody is telling you. We might already be too late to prepare for what comes next. Let's start with the scale, because most people hear the word explosion and picture something manageable, a firework, a bomb, something that burns brightly and then fades. That is not what is coming. Betelgeuse is not a star. It is a monster wearing the costume of a star. If you placed Betelgeuse where our sun sits right now, its surface would extend past Mercury, past Venus, past Earth, past Mars, and it would keep going. It would swallow Jupiter. It would devour everything we have ever known, every city, every ocean, every mountain range, every human being who has ever lived, and it would still have room left over. This star is roughly 700 times the size of our sun. It is so incomprehensibly large that if you were to fill it with copies of the sun, you could fit 300 million suns inside it and still not fill it completely. And this giant, this red supergiant at the edge of its life, is sitting just 700 light years away from Earth. In cosmic terms, that is next door. To understand why Betelgeuse is dying, you have to understand what keeps a star alive. A star is a war, a permanent raging war between two forces trying to destroy each other. Gravity is always pulling inward, trying to crush the star into nothing, and the nuclear furnace at the core is always pushing outward, trying to tear the star apart. For millions of years, these two forces balance perfectly. The star shines, it burns, it lives. But stars have fuel limits. Our sun burns hydrogen. It has been doing so for 4.6 billion years and has roughly 5 billion years of fuel remaining. Betelgeuse was never so lucky. Stars this massive burn fast, and they burn reckless. Betelgeuse has already exhausted its hydrogen. It moved on to helium, then carbon, then neon, then oxygen, each fuel source burning hotter, faster, and more desperately than the last. Right now, deep inside Betelgeuse, the core is fusing silicon into iron, and iron is where stars go to die. You cannot fuse iron and release energy. Iron absorbs energy. It is a cosmic dead end, billions of years of stellar evolution, undone in less time than it takes to blink. What comes next is a supernova.